Kasi ka naman rati, kayo pala natapos.
Yeah. I'm ready for my case discussion now. But I have to point
But
out
you
that-
just have to remember what I told you about symptomatic and asymptomatic.
Yeah.
I said nga, let the keywords symptom and asymptom guide you.
Yeah.
Basta pag tumatagal yung sakit, symptomatic na yon. Pag sandali lang yung sakit, hindi yon symptomatic. Reversible yon. Ano ka ba?
Asymptomatic.
Walang sakit, pero nakikita mo sa may positive ang response siya sa test, normal response. Pero percussion wise, hindi masakit. Tapos nakita mo sa x-ray may periapical pero walang masakit pag percussion. Yun ang asymptomatic. Symptomatic if it's possible to percussion. That's why you need the percussion. Because you're testing the periapical radiolucency, if it's painful or not. That's where apical periodontitis derives its name. Yung percussion.
What?
Pag tinap mo, walang pain, pero may radiolucency, asymptomatic. Pag tinap mo, sumigaw yung patient, symptomatic.
She has asked me what are factors that could lead to asymptomatic.
Yeah, trauma, decay. Sometimes, then hypersensitivity can also contribute, but it's very, very minimal. It's more on trauma and decay.
I put caries.
Yeah, pwedeng trauma. Especially if it's a sound tooth.
Or
Sometimes a fracture can also happen.
will the tooth grow back?
Huh?
I wish teeth can grow back.
Sure, they're still figuring it out how to go about it.
Happens if I found a way.
Huh?
Happens if I found the secret ingredient. So that you can have a central incisor again.
They're already doing that. They've been doing that like almost a decade already. But it's still on the drawing board.
Let's say I was able to finalize it. And FDA approved. What happened?
But you have to figure it out if it's natural or not.
It's natural too.
Yeah. As in natural, as in it's from the donor.
Yeah.
Eh, siyempre may ano rin yun. If it's from the donor, self-donor, if it belongs to the person, that's fine. But if you put it in someone else, there might be a reaction from the immune system. That's what we also consider.
No, the teeth will grow itself. From the
No.
bud stage to the cap stage to the bell stage.
That it do only that if it's natural. But if you have to induce it in the laboratory, that's all.
What happens if I induce in the laboratory?